Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this video, I will give you more information about the top 5 best moon lamps that are available on the market. Actually, I try to make popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinion and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link description section below. Don't forget subscribe this channel for view future videos. Let's start this videos. Starting at number 5, we have Mydethun moon lamp. The stand holding the moon by its fingertips serves only as a reminder that all you need to use this lamp are your fingertips. No matter which finger you use, a light touch changes the color and brightness level. Power the rechargeable batteries for 2 to 3 hours and you have 8 to 10 hours of fingertip control. Once that is done, this almost 4-inch moon lamp responds to your every wish and command. It's a perfect lamp when you only need a little light to see. Also, it is safe to use around children and pets. Let them experience the reality of the moon by using this little moon lamp in their rooms. The lamp is also small enough to fit in the palm of your hand, giving you extra lighting options. Moving on, at number 4, we have Logrotate 3D print moon lamp. This is easy to set up moon lamp. Just place the stand where you want the moon to shine and then place the moon lamp on its stand. After that, you can use the remote or touch function to turn the lamp on and set the colors you want to see. The remote has about a 30-foot range, so you can make changes from a variety of places in your home or yard. Plus, you get about 4 light modes to create a perfect atmosphere inside your room or home. The almost 5-inch moon will really set your interior decor off just right. On top of that, 6 to 12 hours of use are available once you charge the battery to full strength. Touch control is also available on this moon lamp. At number 3, we have DTOETKD moon lamp. You can change the colors on this moon lamp as often as you change your moods. 16 colors in all can match how you feel and communicate to the world those feelings. With a 30-foot range, the remote can help you make those mood changes faster and easier than ever. In addition to that, you get 6 to 12 hours to communicate your mood after waiting only 2 hours for the batteries to charge up again. The good news here is that the moon lamp will still work even when it is charging. The included stand makes sure the moon lamp does not stray from its communications duty and get broken or misplaced. That would be a shame if it did stray and get damaged. At number 2, we have Brightworld moon lamp. The unique stand is the key feature of this mini moon lamp. The stand looks like a mini hand is holding the moon in the sky. Once you turn this lamp on, you can see what you are doing with ease. Its soft glow makes your house feel like a home. Then you get about 8 hours to enjoy its light on a standard 2-hour charge. It's enough to brighten your evenings when you have no place to go that night. A light touch helps the lamp change its brightness to 1 more to your mood. On top of that, its 3.5-inch size is perfect for those little corners where you could not put a larger one. An easy-to-use moon lamp is perfect for those cozy nights in front of the fireplace. And finally, at number 1, Segoal moon lamp. With 16 colors to choose from, you can set a very romantic mood using this moon lamp as your sole source of light. The included remote will be on hand to help you out with that romantic theme throughout the night. After a quick charge, you will have up to 15 hours to keep that mood in the place. When not setting a romantic mood, you can just touch the lamp to make the necessary brightness and color changes. Also, the LED lights provide a flicker-free environment. Then with a 6-inch size and handy stand, you can place this moon lamp indoors or out. Plus, you can charge it up anywhere you happen to be. It is made to use several different power sources. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video helped for you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related this product, you can leave a comment down below. I hope back to you as soon as possible.